Hi, it's Brian Gamardella here with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on a recent trade, a 2023 Sea Ray 290 SDX. This boat is really well outfitted with your dune interior and cockpit and swim platform sea deck. This boat is also equipped with the shore power package option, and it has a fridge. We'll do a walkthrough in the cockpit in a moment, but first we'll start on the transom and work our way forward. So first nice touch here, you got your submersible swim step, easy in and off the back of the boat. There is a swim ladder also that stows under here with a grab handle, but I find the swim step very, very nice. You've got a very large sun pad here. Cup holders. Right here, you do have a cooler. You keep the ice and drinks in here. You got stereo control. So if you want to stay in the back of the boat, keep the salt water back here, you can still operate your music, which is really nice. Your fuel fill is located right here on the aft starboard side. You do have a freshwater rinse down. What I really like about this here, you pull up to a bulkhead, a restaurant, a dock, and you don't have to step on the seats to climb up and get out of the boat. You got a nice fold out step here, 1 foot here, 1 foot here, and now you're easily off the boat. Coming forward slightly, you've got a nice sink here. This boat is equipped with a grill, which is awesome. You got a nice fridge. You got very nice seating. You got a fold out teak table here and ample seating all along the port side of the both. Both your helm seating and your passenger seating have reversible backrests, so you can expand your cockpit living space. This boat is equipped with a nice Simrad screen, flush mount, a bow thruster, and all of your important items such as your anchor, your running lights, and bilge pumps and blowers located on these toggle switches. This is your vacuum flush head with a sink. You do have an open-in porthole in there just to get some ventilation if you need. Now this boat is option. You do have the bow filler option, so that's what I have out here. So this is your base for the filler cushion. It sits on this ledge here. And you open this cushion up and now you've got a really large sun pad in the front, which is a really great place to lounge, to relax, sit at the dock, sit outside the restaurant, have your drinks and food. It's a really nice area to enjoy. As always, you'll have your bow block off door. Close the window. Get caught in any type of weather, you can stay somewhat protected. Right under your helm area, you have got ample storage here. So you have access to your breakers. You can get access to tables in there if you want. So underneath your port and starboard loungers, you do have coolers here. So you can load this up with ice and drinks and you'll be set for the day. Grab rails all around. So this is very deep boat. This cushion is up to about a little more than mid-back. So you can really stay safe in this boat. Even if it's a rough day out, you won't feel like you're going to fly out of the boat. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of our recent trade, 2023 Sea Ray 290 SDX. If you're interested in this boat and would like to learn more, contact us here at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.